Hey guys, I'm Max. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro. This is a 14-inch 2024 and the chip is M4 and the RAM is 24 gigabyte. The storage is 512 gigabyte and you can see the CPU 10 cores, 4 performance cores and the 6 efficiency cores. And you can see the GPU 10 cores and the battery information, the cycle count 147 and the battery capacity is 98%. Okay, this is silver color. You can see the top cover, also no scratches. You can see the back. Okay, the back cover also no scratches. And let me show you the charging port. Okay, you can see the charging port, no scratches. This edge also no scratches. Okay, this the SD card also no scratches. This edge no scratches, and this is the box. This is the original box with the cable and the 70 watts USB-C power adapter, original adapter with the machine. Okay, this is the whole machine. Okay, you can see, and let me show you the 40-inch display. I changed the wallpaper, the gray color. Now you can see. Okay, the display is okay. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay. And let me change another one. Also, no problem. No problem. And let me change the red color. Okay, no problem. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, you can see the keyboard backlight, no problem. The keyboard backlight. Okay. This is the M4, 24 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes, the storage. Okay, no problem with the accessories and the box. Okay, see you in the next video.